Hi guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be sharing with you one of the meals I use when I'm on a weight loss journey, and this is the spaghetti squash with mushroom coconut cream sauce. This is absolutely delicious and I know you guys are definitely going to enjoy it. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So here I'm cutting my spaghetti squash. And then we are going to de-seed the squash. If you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button. So here I have some chili oil, some garlic powder, garlic salt, and onion powder with some parsley. I am going to brush that around the squash and inside of the squash. Then we're going to get a really nice clean baking tray, place that on top and bake that until it's nice and tender. Then here we are making our cream sauce. I added some grapeseed oil and some butter. I'm going in with half diced onions, some parsley, some garlic. Allow this to cook for about 2 minutes. Now we're going in with our mushrooms, and I'm using baby bella mushrooms, some bell peppers, some all-purpose seasoning, and some coconut milk. You can taste and adjust your seasoning here and set aside. So our squash looks amazing. It is smoking. So now we're going to use a fork and just run it on the sides and pull the squash in the center. You can see it looks exactly like a spaghetti. Now this one here I had to do for my son. And I added some cheese for him and the sauce. It is absolutely delicious. And this is mine, guys. Oh my gosh. I think you guys are going to love this one. Alright, so if you guys are new to my channel, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button, like, share, and comment on this video. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Do not forget to check out the link for my juice and other healthy recipes on my channel. See you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.